Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored.
No. Ntori promise Mary. Ntori ke tonyala jwang wetsa so.
Na let you know igqoke luthengelwe yimi. Na lesigqoka saka Jesu.
Una mina ngibe step mother.
Yes. It's just, guys definitely found a couple. How are you gonna give me Zulu lessons?
Uzongibhadala.
Yeah, of course I'll pay you. I'll have to pay for your time.
Okay.
How much are you gonna charge me?
If uzongibhadala akunenkinga.
How much are you gonna charge me?
It will depend ukuthi how long you spend the day.
Maybe we can do 2 hours a lesson.
2 hours a day.
A lesson.
A lesson. Ngoba wena yabo ngoba sengiyakwazi. Ngawushaya nga 1.5.
1.5.
Incane I know.
I mean, that's a lot for a language lesson. Why don't I do 500 rand an hour?
Ow.
So that's 1,000 rand.
So it's 2 hours.
Yeah.
Okay, you're right, Nadia.
Okay. Hi guys. Hey. How are you? I'm good. Listen, I go around asking couples questions. It's just a couples quiz. Would you guys be okay with that?
Yeah, I'm not stressed.
You don't have an issue?
I'm not kidding.
Go ban.
It's just literally a game that we play for my YouTube channel. No, I just ask. It's literally a couples quiz. I just ask you questions about your relationship.
Okay.
Okay. What's wrong? You don't want to be seen with your man, girl. Your man is fine with it. Come closer. Come to my left, lovey. What's wrong, girl?
Hello, I don't understand what's why.
I've explained this, girlie. You just go around asking questions. And that's it. And then you guys can go about your business. We literally just take 5 minutes of your time. Okay. All right. Name?
Minenhle.
Minenhle and?
Sfiso.
Sfiso, how long have you been with Minenhle?
8 months nominately.
8 months?
Yeah.
Okay. Minenhle is still going strong? Is that are you still happy in your relationship?
Cool.
Okay. All right. Where did you meet your man?
When?
Yeah. Where? Sorry, lovey.
A mall. Just a mall.
You guys were at the mall?
Yeah.
Well, do you remember the first thing he said to you?
That's that
Oh, that's okay. And you are pretty. You're a pretty girl. At least he can recognize pretty. Right? I want to get straight to the point. I don't want to waste your time. I just want to get straight to the point so that we can get this done. What we do on this show, we basically do a loyalty test, right? And we make you guys switch phones. You guys go through each other's WhatsApps.
Switch phones.
Yes. You check her WhatsApp.
Okay.
You don't have an issue.
I'm not kidding.
You've been ready to check her WhatsApp. Okay. Mini? Why not?
Uyangithemba.
Is there anything you're hiding?
No, akukho ngifihla kodwa.
Kodwa manje ngenza ngidabazi yazi.
Thank you.
Uyangithemba ngithi.
Kodwa manje ngenza ngidabazi ngani ungafoni.
Sekubiza ukuthi sizosinikana amafoni.
Hello, Mini.
Kanti once off is not like phone yakho ngihlezi ngibheka.
Yes, once off. Once off. Hey,
Angikhazi next.
Next.
Angikhazi lutho.
Ithini ngothi
I'm sure if he finds anything on your phone, you're not going to explain. Is that what you mean?
Ngobani?
So if you find something on your phone, you must just deal with it. That's what you're saying.
Yeah.
Yo, Sfiso, did you hear?
Anything should say as contact on.
Ayikho. Sengiyasho nje akukho.
Guys, let's switch. Can I have your phones? So we're gonna start with yours, Nick. Can you just open it for me, please? Mini? Hey, Ayitobazada. Are you hiding anything on your phone?
Cool.
You're not cheating on your bed. Okay. Go to his WhatsApp, ne? Okay, search. Type love you. Okay. Type miss you. Hey, Aysan. Oh, delete izinto wena, delete.
Angilutho.
Type.
Ungayifisela idatha.
Okay, type babe.
Yimina.
Yeah. Okay, delete that. Type outside. Let's see who he's fetching. Okay. Clean. Okay, delete that. Type thank you.
I'm the most loyal man in the
Okay.
world.
We can see that. Delete.
Engithole lutho.
Okay. Hey, Ayisana lo bhuti.
Clean.
Type, you so to see. Don't say we. Type pregnant. Nothing.
Yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type last night. Hey, I said clean. Okay, delete that. Type date. Sazipi. You never know. Okay. Oh, that's you. Okay, delete that. Type test. Miniman test Lando. What were you guys testing? Actually, you know what? It's fine. It's none of my business. But at least you can see it's only you, ne? Delete that. Type morning after pill. You never know.
Hayi.
After pill.
Angisazi igubha. Ngalutho la.
Hey, empty. So check your phone, my brother. You are very much clean
Thembeka lona.
and loyal.
Oh. Thanda yena yedwa.
Open your phone, my doll. You love her only.
Oh.
Okay.
Ngeke ulingana naye la kimi.
Mm-hmm.
Uthatha isikhala sakhe isifana nesika mama. A shift.
Hey, Swiss. You don't have to love someone to that extent. Okay. Type love you. Okay.
Ngayimina lo.
Okay, delete that. Type miss you. Okay.
Mhm. Usiphoza sisi wakho.
Okay, delete that. Type test.
Test. Hayibo, man.
Go into the chat. Simone izinto apha.
Man, uba uthini?
Babani.
Ubani?
Babam.
Testa ntoni ubani? What are you testing with your dad? It's either you're testing for HIV or pregnancy.
Ya mana sisi, zolo lokho ukuthi ubaba akasekho emhlabeni. Manje ubaba wakho udlala ngokufa.
But what are you testing with your dad? That's what I want to know. Don't you test with your dad? What are you testing with your father when?
Oh, no baba kuyakulanda.
What's his name?
Eight.
Igama lakhe.
Bade, uthanda?
Udethi, na, udethi.
Oh, daddy. Utesta ntoni? What's his name? Because it's definitely not your dad.
Davey.
David. Okay. What are you doing with David?
Bomba lento yakho.
Don't think.
Ngachaza.
Okay, because obviously we're listening.
Iblessa lami. Uyazi now.
Mama nama place manje wena.
Uyafunda. Ngidinga umuntu ozomnika imali.
Yeah? Manje udinga umuntu ozokunika imali akwazi ukuyisebenzela.
Ngiyafunda nawe uyafunda.
Awunginiki imali ukuyisebenzela yini?
Ngisebenza kanjani ngifunda?
Yakwazi ukuhlanganisa awunaku nami ngiyakwazi ukuhlanganisa.
Hlanganisa yini onginika yona? Ngoba phela lo muntu lo nginika yonke into engifunayo. Ukucathile na mangikhipha ngisasambe sodla out udlani. Ngoba usedla imali yakhe.
Oh lama
I-date then you pay for it with David's money.
Nalutho. Nganalutho.
lama ubhayiso lokwayenza kanti
Imali yakhe and kumele umbonge lo muntu. Cause ukhuluphele nje uye.
ngani?
Ukuthi uyakondla.
Ngani?
Uyakondla.
Ngokuthi eyangondla. Right. Sorry, right la.
Avada yakho le.
Right. Sisam right.
Ngi-right.
Yo, can we call David?
Ngoma no sugar daddy.
Uyazazi nje ukuthi uyalamba. Siyalamba.
Ungakhulumi nami.
Ngikhuluma ini nawe? Because uyangi-understandisa kuphela. Lo muntu lona ukwenzela yonke into, ungenzela yonke into.
Kodwa uyakwazi ukukhuluma nami bengakwazi ukuthi ngenze icebo nami. Ngoma no sugar daddy.
Yebo.
Ikhehla.
Lingenzela yonke into.
Ha.
Ntombazana.
Ngiphendula umataputaka.
Uyena vele.
Hi, am I speaking to David? Hello? Yes, I'm with David.
Yes.
Hi, who am I speaking to? Where's that? Hello?
Swam.
Hello.
Hi, can I please speak to David? I was calling David. Is this his phone?
Lokhu ngiyagibeza kususa
Bengena-
la.
Yeah. Nangu David.
Ngiyadala.
Mawuthanda mali.
Hi.
Hello, bye.
Nginamali.
Hi, I'm Lisa from CMTV.
Lapha lo
What's her name again? Glam?
Yeah, ufunani?
Do you know Minentle?
Yeah, mina ngiyamazi. Shira ngenzakalani?
For how long?
For 3 years ngenzakalani? Kanti yini manje hayi?
Lalela la. Ufunani ngane encane?
Eh?
Ufunani ngane encane? Umdala uyikhehla.
Ungamnaki lo, ungamnaki.
Wisha.
Ungamnaki lo.
Ha. Ngeke.
Ubhuti wami lo ungamnaki.
Ubhuti wakho nini mina? Ubhuti wakho nini mina?
Sokhuluma masifika mangifika lapha.
Mana sithando sakhe. Hey, lalela la wena, mataputaka.
Usufuna ukungimoshela i-relationship yakho.
Hey,
Awungenzeli lutho wena.
Lalela.
Awungenzeli lutho.
nongakhulumi namngani. Kushaya.
Ngeke.
Hayi,
Bophisa.
tshela.
David, we are with Minentle's boyfriend here. They've been together for 8 months.
Bhuti wami, ngicela ushift.
Hayi wena.
Ngeke lutho. Ngeke ungenzeli lutho.
Mina.
Now, Minentle, here she is.
Hello sani sami.
Uma naye kahle ngithi.
Ngiyithanda.
Hello babe. Ngeke ungenzeli lutho, ngeke ungishaye.
Hey wena.
Umfana nje lo omncane lo.
Wena khehla.
Lo ngikutshena ngaye.
Yeah, hayi.
Noma awakho.
Ngiyenzani?
Tshela.
Uyangishaya manje la.
Wena.
Ukuphi kanti?
Wena ngiyakuzama wena.
Ungizama ngani onalutho wena? Sokhuluma ngifika babe ne.
Mangenalutho kodwa ngibonisa ibabs.
Yeah.
Wena usuka le.
Mfana hamba.
Wena isilima.
Ngiyakuthanda le. Sokhuluma ngifika.
Ha.
Yabona ukuthi awuyilutho.
Ooh. Minnie, that's so rude.
Ngikhuluma nawe kanjalo. And kade vele sengifuna indlela ukuthi ngikwale, angisakufuni.
Mina khuluma nami kanje.
Sifuni vele. Angeke ngitholela indlala mina. Hayi.
Indala.
Yeah.
Ngiyazama.
Zamani.
Ngiyazama.
Hambo thatha laba bazamayo nawe. Nizame no2.
Muzi nawe uyazama.
Ngizamani mina.
Uzama impilo njengami.
Ngizama impilo mina. Yabona umuntu lo unginika yonke impilo engiyifunayo.
Uyakunika. Ushadile.
Hambo thatha aba kwi-standard sakho.
Yedwa ushadile.
Uyangithanda, uyanginakekela. Ushadile wena unalo.
Uzokulahla. Mkhulu bambatha leli khona uzokulahla.
Give them their phones.
Uzokulahla.
So it's okay, so it's over. Woo!
Uzokulahla.
Umfana omncane.
Uzokulahla. Funga. Ubona wena? Umthola lo date lo naye.
Small boy.
Small boys.
Yeah.
Heck. Lovely, oh, you're not staying, it's over. Okay.
Hayi noma athi uyahlala angibuyeli.
When I'm phone,
Angibuyeli.
you've been wanting to break up with me.
Yes.
Okay, Minnie, leave us. Are you with David? Take you home.
Minnie,
Yeah, transport.
Hayi ngizohamba.
Okay, bye, Minnie. Thank you.
Minenhle. mina sungahambi
Love,
mina ngiyadlala mina
iyadlala.
mina ngikwatama buka mina
Love, you need to love yourself, ne? This is self-love, nyana.
sizami la ufikeleli
Sorry.
ufikeleli
Sorry.
ufikeleli
Sorry. You can leave, my love. I'm sorry. It's okay. Guys, it's on the laptop. I mean, we are bana girls want money. Girls want money. I'm against
Ayibonke.
I'm against dating someone for money. I'm against that. I hate girls who date from a place of hunger. Don't date someone from a place of hunger, because when you do that, they can actually abuse you, because they know that you need them financially, so you're probably not going anywhere no matter what.
That's always the case.
Ne? And then there are good girls whose standards are just high, or good girls whose standards are just beyond your budget. That doesn't mean that's a gold digger, or she's just used to nice things. But whoever she does date, she loves that person genuinely. But she won't date you if you don't have money. You know what I mean?
Because indlela aphila ngayo, yeah, ayikho indlela
That you can, they beyond your capabilities.
yes, not
Yes.
asukuthi equal
And I think men don't know. There are men, especially
kunomehluko.
on social media, who don't know how to differentiate between the two.
Kunomehluko, true.
You know what I mean? So it's very different. And a girl whose standards is just high, but she's a good girl, the day you go broke, she's not going anywhere.
Yeah. Because
She's not
she
going
came
anywhere.
for Iman.
Yes.
She came for love.
You know what I mean? So, guys, there's a big difference. There's a big difference.
Hey, khona la bendlala. La besinkwa lesi.
Even if you've taken care of her for years, given her girlfriend an allowance for years, the day you go broke, she's leaving.
Hamba.
She's forgotten what you've done for her. Umkile.
Hamba. So bafethu shout out to kwabo sisi abane standards esiphezulu. Hayi ngoba bedinga indoda enemali, but indlela abaphila ngayo bona idinga vele umuntu ozokhona ukuyimaintain.
That's it.
You understand? Not because they are gold diggers, cha abekunjalo.
thank you.
Indlela abaphila ngayo.
Thank you.
Nalabo bakwi level yethu nabo. Shout out to bona ngoba they do understand ukuthi yazini mina wami umuntu nangu uDlamini. I understand. So yeah, bafethu abantu besifazane bahlukile, same njengamajita abahlukile.
Absolutely.
Funa izinto ezingafani empilweni.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That one big bums, and then the other ones you don't say.
Yeah.
Understand?
Abafuna ifuba banganandaba ne. Khona othanda uChris nje amba uChris njani? Athi ya.
Different Chris.
Yeah, monga ngimisala no Chris uthi choose between Dlamini no Chris athi mina.
Yeah, understand?
Yeah, so
But types up,
bane
guys.
types up,
And
yeah.
it's okay. That's
Yabona,
okay.
Akusinto wrong.
Yeah.
Unga feel bad Chris. It's
Don't feel bad, Chris. Don't worry. I also have a shopper. Right? I don't feel bad.
no.
Yeah.
Kuna laba vela bangayifuni bafuna earning board.
And that's actually a thing, guys. Eh? Yeah.
Right.
So there's a girl that said on TikTok, amadoda online you don't want to shrub, but amadoda in real life bayasdate and bonwabe kakhulu. And it's a thing.
Injalo nje. Injalo.
Do you want to do?
Ungakhuluma uthi hayi shwapa mawujikela kahle nazi ishwapa nawe uyasithatha.
Oh my God, now shall we wrap?
Let's wrap.
We're wrapping up, guys. My name is Lisa Sirame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirame _, and of course, do follow Dlams.
Welcome _Dlamini 88 on TikTok. Welcome Dlamini Facebook. Welcome Dlamini.
Why are you coming so close to me? Hi. What's that? No, Chris.
Hey Chris, ayangifuni Chris.
Hey, bye.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if we are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
nale jini oyigqokile uyithengelwe yimi nale sigqoko sakajesu funa mina ngibe step mother
Nginesikhathi esingakanani nje nanokhaya?
Yes.
Uma phezulu ngadlala.